Okay, next up we have, let's call them assorted big breaking cakes. They're 12 shots. There are 4 of these in a case, different effects with each one, but they're all about the same size and composition, excuse me, and loudness. So these are very hard hitting cakes. I'm sorry, I neglected to measure the tube size, but yeah, they're a decent size. Not a 2 inch or anything like that, but they're sizable, and you'll hear that in the breaks in here as well as the reports. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check it out.